Hello, welcome back, my loves. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You guys want an easy crochet hairstyle that you can do under 2 hours? Stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get this done. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. You guys, let's just get right into it. My hair has already been braided. This is still braided from the last crochet hairstyle I did. So what I do to remain, for it to stay braided, to add extra hairstyles to it, is you just wash around your edges and make sure you re-grease it. Grease it and keep it nice and moisturized. Okay, you guys, I got this hair from my local beauty supply store. You can actually get it from anywhere. I thought this hair was amazing. I like the feel. I like the bounce of it. And guess what? I am not going to be separating hair today. That's how bomb this hair is. When I tell you how easy crochet is, just look at this. All you have to do is put the hook in, put the hair on the hoop, close the hoop, and put the hair in and wrap it around one time and close it. That is it. Let's check it out again. And that is it, sweethearts. I'm telling you, you don't have to triple or double do it. Why? Because this hair is long. If it was short, then you would probably have to tie it a couple times. But all you have to do is twist it around one time and drop it, and it is locked in. Which number do I start first? I start with the 10 first. Start with the 10 in the back, then I do the 9 in like the middle and a little bit on the side, and then I do the 8 at the top and in the front. All right, I'm gonna get to work and I'm gonna talk to you guys in a minute. Okay, I am separating here just for the front of the hair because while we are blending together and we want the blend to look as natural as possible. At this point, you guys, we're just going to shape it to match your face and then cut excess ends off. All of my products are going to be listed in the description box below. Adding this Curl La La is going to give it some extra moisturization and it's going to help curl to match the crochet hair. Once you're finished with this, you guys, add a scarf, and then after you add your scarf, just put a bonnet on and you'll be set to go. And these are the final results, you guys. This only took under an hour and a half. Why? Because we already braided our hair up and it took hours off from doing your own hair, sweethearts. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys, even if I don't know you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and please subscribe. I see you guys next time.